How to install the front wheel on the Ducati XDiavel. Our first video showed the removal. This is the second part, the installation. You will need a 1/2-inch impact wrench or breaker bar. You will need a special wheel tool that can tighten the front, and it can do the rear as well. You will not need the dead blow hammer or the dowel for the installation. These were only for the wheel removal. A torque wrench to tighten to specifications and ratchets to speed up the process is needed. A 1/2-inch drive extension, 5/16 or 8mm to remove caliper, and a 3/16 or a 5mm hex for the lower bolts. Okay, let's get the tire put back on. This is one way of getting the calipers safely out of the way. Install the spacer into the hub. The easiest way is to get the shaft ready to go in once you get the wheel lined up. Lift and line up the wheel. Slide in the shaft. Align with the other side and slide all the way. Make sure the spacer is still in the hub on the other side. Continue checking that all spacers are in and everything is still lined up. Then tap in. Tighten the 2 right side bolts to specified torque. Install washer on nut and install onto shaft. Hand tighten only. Now tighten the left side 2 bolts to correct torque. Tighten the front wheel nut using the special tool. I didn't have the large torque wrench at the time of filming this video, so you see me using a breaker bar. I had to go back later and tighten to specs. Install the caliper. I used a cloth to protect the wheel from scratching. Taping the wheel with masking tape also works well. Use an 8mm hex head or 5/16 inch hex, and then torque to specifications. Install the other side the same way. Lower the motorcycle carefully off the front stand. Next, lower the rear paddock stand carefully so it sits on the kickstand without falling over. Thanks for watching. Check our other videos out here.